The topic of today's lesson, урок 14, is what is the difference between the constructions у меня and у меня есть. You probably noticed before that Russians, they will use у меня without saying есть. So when do you say есть when you don't say есть? Let's have a look. In the previous lesson, we learned about this construction у нас в офисе, specifying location. У нас в офисе есть сканер. So this sentence, the subject of this sentence is scanner. And the purpose of this sentence is to inform initially a person that there is scanner in our office. У нас в офисе. So if, again, I want to ask you a question. Where's the scanner? Где сканер? The possible answer is у нас в офисе. I'm answering your exact question. Where is the scanner? У нас в офисе. In our office. But you should be aware that in Russian, not only a specific place could be a location, but also a person could be a location. So if I ask you a question, where is the key? Где ключ? If you have the key, then you are the location of the key. And your possible answer is ключ у меня. I have the key. Or the key is on me. And you see that here I don't have есть. Ключ у меня. Okay, so that you feel the difference between these sentences, I have to bring a lot of examples. Have a look. У меня есть сестра. У меня сестра. So both of these sentences are almost the same except this one word есть. What is the difference between these two sentences? So the first sentence, у меня есть сестра. I will use this sentence to inform a person, to give him an initial information about existence of sister in my life. For example, if you don't know whether I have a sister or not, you will ask me, у тебя есть сестра? My answer will be да, у меня есть сестра. Now, у меня сестра means something different. We already know that у меня could be a location. So actually, сестра is the subject of this sentence. And у меня specifies her location. Where is the sister? The sister is at me. Of course, in English, you won't say that the sister is at me, but you will say, she's visiting me. She's with me. I'm busy with her. She's probably in my place where I am. I'm having my sister now. I will use this sentence within a certain context. For example, can you call me right now? No, I can't. I'm busy right now. I have my sister over. Извините. У меня сестра. Good. I think it's a perfect example. But let's continue, have more examples. У нас есть каникулы. So the subject of this sentence is каникулы. Notice this noun, vacation time, school, vacation time, is always plural. That's the subject, and I initially inform you that, you know what, there is vacation time for the school children in summer in Russia. У нас есть каникулы. Now, if I say у нас каникулы, it means we are off school. We don't study right now. We're having our vacation time. У нее есть проблема. The purpose of this sentence is to initially inform you. You know, there is a problem that exists at her. Now, if I say у нее проблема, the purpose of this sentence is to tell you that she's now dealing with a problem. There's a problem going on with her. Okay. У них есть директор. Now, if you didn't know that they actually have a boss, then this is the sentence I will use to inform you that they have a boss, a director. У них есть директор. If I say у них директор, sorry, you can't bother them, you can't talk to them right now because the director is with them. They're having a conversation or they're busy with him, with the director. У него есть отпуск. He has his time off work. Now, if I say у него отпуск, it means that he's on vacation. This type of sentences I can replace with a sentence with a prepositional case. I can build a synonymous sentence. Он в отпуске. У тебя есть урок. Didn't you know that there is a lesson today for you? You know, you have to be on time. У тебя урок means that you're at the lesson right now. So, sorry, you can't go wherever you want to go, but because you're having a lesson. У тебя урок. It means that you're at the lesson. Ты на уроке. Где Владимир Путин? В Сочи. А что он там делает? Думаю, у него тренировка. У него тренировка. He's having a training session. He's doing workout of some kind. А что Трамп делает в Москве? У них встреча. They're having a meeting. They're at the meeting now. Где Хиллари Клинтон? И что она делает? Не знаю. Может, у нее встреча? Да нет. Думаю, у них вечеринка. A party. Вечеринка. Where is Hillary Clinton and what is she doing? No idea. I don't know. Perhaps she's at the meeting. She's having a meeting. Встреча. Да нет. I think we had this before. Да нет actually means no. This да adds this feeling of let me argue with you. I do not quite agree with you. Да нет. Думаю. I think they're having a party. У них вечеринка. Perfect. Now you will not be confused by a strange Russian construction у меня or у меня есть, and you will easily differentiate these two constructions in Russian. See you later. Пока-пока.